Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use inDrive delivery service. So for those of you guys who are using inDrive, yes, there's a delivery service. So how to do that? You just need to move to the right and choose couriers right here. So couriers right here, it's like Lala Move. It's like they call this. It's like Lala Move, but it's much more a little bit much more cheaper. So now let's just say let's choose this location right here. Next location right here, let's just say Rizal, somewhere Rizal Park. Let's say Rizal Park. Then right here, now it will find yourself a driver right there, as you can see right here. But we're gonna choose the courier right here. There you go. Now this is what you're gonna do. To Rizal Park. There we go. Once you've chosen that, all you need to do is order details right here. Order details, just put in your number and the recipient's number. So it's either you could put building or the door. There you go. Where to pick up and where to deliver. There you go. The door, or the building or the door. It's like that. And you can either put the large of quantity of the weight of the package, just say 15 kilograms or 120 kilograms. Then we're gonna add the comment for the courier, and we can either add it food, pharmacy, electronic, or keys, flowers, or documents, any of those. And after adding a comment right here, let's just say food. There you go. Then save. We're gonna add the phone number. 09. You're gonna add like that. Then we're gonna find a courier. Now we can offer a rate. As you can see right now, we can offer a rate. So let's just say 100 pesos. No, just kidding. We're gonna be generous. We're gonna do 200. So there you go. So recommended price is 158, but we can offer 200 pesos. As you can see, so that's a cool feature about this, about using this app, because you can, like I've said, I made a video about inDrive. You can change the price manually. Change the price. You can either put it lower or higher depending on you. Yeah, there's no fixed price, so you can change the price of what you want. So yeah, that's a good thing about this app. So you can see right now. Then all you need to do after doing all of that, click on find courier. So there, that's simple. It's like Lala Move, but much more it's much more cheap and much more fast. So there. Hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions, you can type the question below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.